Good morning, children. I am Leela Miss. I am going to take mathematics for class 4. I hope all of you are keeping fine. Okay. Previous day we were studying about a 12-hour clock and a 24-hour clock. How to convert 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time. Today also we are going to do one activity. You know that railway time is given always in 24-hour clock. It is in railway time is in 24-hour clock time. Our 12-hour clock has our hand has to turn round two times. But in 24 o'clock our hand turns only one time. It will complete 24 hours. Here the table below shows, everybody take your textbook and keep in front of you, open it and keep in front of you, and take page number 31. Rewriting. Take that page 31. You read the question. The table below shows the time some trains start from various railway stations. Write these using AM or PM. Railway time is in 24-hour clock and you have to write it in AM or PM in our 12-hour clock. See, railway time is given here and 12-hour clock time is given here. 14:55 hours railway time. Train starts from Alappuzha Kannur Express. Starts at 14 hours 55 minutes. What will be the time in 12-hour clock in AM or PM? You know that 14 hours means up to here in 12-hour clock 12 hours, 13 hours, here 14 hours. Then 14 hours 55 minutes is the railway time. Then in our 12-hour clock, what is the time? 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. 14 means 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock 55 minutes. That is after 12 o'clock noon, it is post meridium. You know that. Post meridium means PM. What will be the time here? 2 o'clock 55 minutes PM. 2:55 PM. Got it? Another train starts from Alappuzha Chennai Express, starts from a station at 16 hours. What will be the 16 hours? You see, up to here, this is 14 hours. That is our 2 o'clock. 15 hours, 16 hours. 16. How many hours are here? 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hours. 12-hour clock, after noon, 12 o'clock, 4 hours passed. That means 4 o'clock PM. 4 PM. 4 PM. You add the time from 12. After 12, 1 hour, 13, 14, 15, 16 hours means 4 hours. 4 o'clock in the evening, that means 4 PM. 20 hours 5 minutes. You add hours to 12. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You add 8 hours. You see, like that you add that 20 hours. How many here? Up to here 20 hours. How many hours after 12 o'clock? 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hours passed after noon. From noon we are counting 20 hours. 8 hours 5 minutes passed. That means post meridium for PM. 8:05 PM. Then 23 hours. What will be the time in 12-hour clock? 23. Add to 12 noon. Hours you add. How many hours? 11 hours passed. That means 11 PM. Night time, no? Then 11:15. That is before noon. Yeah, before noon. In our 12-hour clock also the same time 11:15, that is AM, ante-meridian, because it is before noon, 12 o'clock. Then 5 o'clock. In our 12-hour clock also it is 5, that means 5 AM. It is before 12 noon, so it is in AM. Understood? Then next activity, you know that every buses have a name, every trains have a number or name, both the name and number. Every buses has name. Then here this table, I give you as homework to complete. The page number 31, the second table, route, starting time 12-hour clock. You convert the, ഇത് തിരിച്ചാണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് ഇനി. 12-hour clock time is given, then you have to convert it into 24-hour clock time. Okay. This we converted 12-hour clock time to 12-hour clock, 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock. This table shows how to convert 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock. Like that you can convert the time and do as homework. Then next page there is page number 32. You take page number 32 to school. You know what is our school time? Our school time is from 10 o'clock, 10 AM to 4 PM. Understand? Usually that is like that. Here you see 10 o'clock to 4 PM is our school time. That is in 12-hour clock, from 10 AM our class started and ends at 4 o'clock. In 24-hour clock it is, what is the time? 10, starting time same, 10 o'clock in the morning, starting time 24 o'clock onward. After 12, how many hours are there to reach 4? 11, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. You add 4 hours to 12. You add 4 hours to 12. What will be our 16 hours? In 24-hour clock, the time will be 16 hours. You write it, there is a column to fill. You have to write them in the column. Okay. Then each column, here you write your school time 10 AM to 4 PM. Write using AM and PM. 10 AM to 4 PM you write that. Then using 24 o'clock time, it is 16 hours. It is 16 hours. How many hours are there in our school time? From 10 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the evening. How many hours? You add 11, 12, noon. Then means over. Then 2 hours up to 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock vare 2 manikkoor. Then after afternoon 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. 4 hours afternoon. After 12 o'clock there are 4 hours. 4 hours plus morning 2 hours. Total 6 hours time. Then there will be 2 intervals now. Morning there is 15 minutes. Afternoon there is 15 minutes. 15 plus 15, 30 minutes. 15 plus 15, 30 minutes. Then lunch break also you take. That is not study time. Interval and lunch break time is not included in the study time. So what will be the study time? Not പഠിക്കുന്ന സമയം എത്രയായിരിക്കും? You subtract 30 minutes plus lunch break 30 minutes. 30 plus 30, 1 hour. From 6 hours you subtract 1 hour. That 1 hour is not our study time. So 6 minus 1, 5 hours. Got it? Okay. You must you have to do this homework. Fair price shop. There is a shop. You can calculate and count the hours here and add here. 4 hours, 4 hours, and write If you can, you do. If you have any doubt, you may please call me and I will tell you. It is good if you do this. Okay.